And today we'll be talking about Unit 6 Close Up. And the title of this unit is Living History. And we'll start with the reading vocabulary. The first one is terracotta, and this word means hard reddish brown clay. Hard reddish brown clay. Number two, figure, and it means a statue of a person. Number three, estimate. Estimate it means guess or make a judgment. Number four, chariot. Chariot means a vehicle with two wheels pulled by a horse and used in ancient times in battles and races. Number five, hieroglyph. Hieroglyph, and it means a picture or a symbol of an object representing a word, syllable, or sound used in ancient Egyptian writing. Number six, fracture. Fracture. Fracture, it means broken bone. Broken bone in the body, this is called fracture. Number seven, malaria. Malaria, and it means a serious disease caused by the bite of a mosquito. Number eight, ultimately. Ultimately, this is called ultimately, and it means finally or in the end. Number nine, the word build. Build, and this is a noun. Here it's a noun, and it means the body shape and size. This is called build. Number 10, depiction. Depiction, and it means showing somebody or something in a picture. This is called depiction. After that, the word infection. Infection. Infection means a disease or illness that is caused by germs, by bacteria. And the last word is identity. Identity, and it means who or what a person or a thing is. These are the most important words in our lesson in the reading text. So now open your books, please, on page 70 and page 71 in the student's book, close-up student's book. We'll find here that can you see the book now? Ahmed Hussam, can you see the book on the screen?
Yes. Yes,
it's okay.
Mr.
It's okay, thank you. This is our book, it's okay, the student's book. And here, because we don't have time, of course, to read the whole text, so you can pause because this will be a video after that. After the session, it will be a video. You can pause the video and read the text, and then you can check your answer in exercise D, because in exercise D, this is an exercise about the text itself. Okay, so in this exercise, after reading the text, it's okay, you can check the answers after that. These are the answers: number 1, D, number 2, A, and number 3, A. After that, number 4, 5, and 6. These are the answers. Number 4, B, number 5, C, and number 6, B. It's okay. The most important exercises here in this lesson, exercise, or the most important exercise is exercise E. Exercise E is so important. It's okay. We will try to answer it together because this is about the most important vocabulary here. The first one, let's try to answer together. If you know the answer, you can raise your hand. Okay, if you know the answer, you can raise your hand. Yes, number one. Who can answer number one? You will just try to choose from these words and try to put them in the correct place. Okay, according to the meaning of the words that we explained. We have explained. Okay. Yes, Alia. Number one. Yes, Alia. You are raising your hand. It's okay. Hur. You can answer now.
تبقى depiction.
Very good. The first word is depiction. So we'll try to choose it now and put it in the correct place. Very good. Number one is a depiction. Number two, who can answer number two? Thank you, Hur. Yes, number two. Who can answer? Yes, Arwa Husam. Arwa Husam. Yes. If something is under you tell him or her what to do. Hmm. Yes, Habiba.
هتبقى direction يا مستر.
Very good direction. Very good. It's okay. It's okay. Number three, Muhammad Husam. Yes, Muhammad Husam. By the way, we have studied these words together. Yes. Yes, Muhammad.
Infection.
Infection. Very good. Infection is an illness caused by bacteria or a virus
Yes.
that affects a part of the body. Thank you, Muhammad Husam. Number four, Noor Isam. Yes,
Well-
Noor. Yes, Noor.
هتبقى identity.
Identity. Very good. Identity means is who or what you are. It's okay. And the last word here, number five, of course, it will be Alia. Can you answer it now, Alia?
Yes.
It will be
It's be build.
build. Very good.
Build.
Very good. So your build is the shape and size of your body. It's okay. Do you understand this lesson? I think this lesson is so easy. It's okay. We'll try after that to finish another exercise. But by the way, you will have the answer in exercise F because the answer of exercise F is exercise G. And here, this is the exercise. It's okay, just to guess, try to match the achievements with the names. And the answer, you'll find it in G after that in your book. It's okay. It's okay. Now we will study another lesson, which is vocab 1 on page 72. Page 72 in your student's book. But before it, we will try to explain the most important words before we start. And here we will have vocab 1 in unit 6, page 72 in the student's book. We'll start here by explaining the meaning of the most important words. The first one is the word battle. Battle. And the word battle, it means a fight between armies. This is called battle. Number two, liberate. Liberate. Liberate means to free. Free. And the noun is liberation or liberty. A revolution. A revolution. Revolution means a time when there is a violent change of a political system. This is called revolution, like the French Revolution. The French Revolution started in 1789. And you started the French Revolution in the story, by the way, A Tale of Two Cities. Number 5 after that, or 4, plot, plot. And this word, it means here a secret plan to do something wrong. This is called plot. Okay, a plot to kill someone is called a plot. After that, we have another word which is objective. Objective. This word objective means to consider or considering only facts and not letting your feelings change your opinion. Like this example, I can't be objective about her because I'm her friend. So objective here, it means to consider only facts. Okay, you are telling the truth, you are telling the fact, not letting your feelings change your opinion at all. And the opposite of this word is subjective. Subjective. And it means here based on personal feelings. This is called subjective. Like his book about his grandparents was subjective and only described them as he remembered them. So this is called subjective, according to yourself, according to your personal feelings. I'm sorry. You think according to your personal feelings. It's okay, so you are not objective at all. After that, historical, historical, and historical means part of history or related to history. It's okay, like historical novel, like historical film, and so on. And historian, historian, historian. It means somebody who studies history. This is called historian. Authentic, authentic, authentic. It means genuine, genuine. Okay, genuine. It means original, something original. It's not false at all. It's called authentic. Artificial, artificial, artificial means not natural, but man-made. Not natural, but man-made. Okay, this is called artificial. Biography and autobiography. Pay attention because we have two words and they are maybe they are same or similar to each other. The first word biography, it means the story of a person's life written by somebody else. Okay, and if you write, for example, a story of someone, okay, or about someone, yani, and this is his real story, by the way, his factual story. This is called biography. Okay, like President Sadat. President Sadat, there were a lot of writers who wrote about him. Okay, this is called biography. But autobiography, autobiography, it means the story of a person's life written by that person. Yani if someone wrote his life story, this is called autobiography. Like Taha Hussein, because Taha Hussein wrote a book about his life, and this book was called Al Ayam. So autobiography here is the story of a person's life written by himself or herself. After that, the word decade, and decade it means a period of 10 years, because you know that if we are talking about 10 years, a package of 10 years is called decade. And if you are talking about a period of 100 years, it is called century, and 1,000 years, it is called millennium, and so on. Document. Document, it means an official piece of writing which gives information, proof, or evidence. This is called document. Illustration. Illustration, it means a drawing or diagram or picture in a book or magazine. This is called illustration. And you can find illustration in the science book, okay, in order to tell you about the digestive system, for example, and so on. This is called illustration. Accurate. Accurate, it means careful and exact without mistakes, something which is so correct. And you can use it to describe people, okay? Or for people, you can use punctual, okay? And accurate here, you can use it to describe something which is without mistakes at all. And the opposite is inaccurate. Inaccurate, you can use it to express something with a lot of mistakes, full of mistakes. Comedy and comedian. Comedy, it means the quality of being amusing or making people laugh. This is called comedy. And comedian, it means an entertainer who performs. This is a person in a funny manner, especially by telling jokes. Knowledge and knowledgeable. Knowledge, this is a noun, and knowledgeable, this is an adjective. And the noun here, it means information or facts that you have in your mind about something. It's called knowledge. But knowledgeable, if you are describing someone who has a lot of knowledge or who is well informed, you can say that this man or this woman is knowledgeable. This person is knowledgeable. Yani having a lot of knowledge or well informed. I think that uh, the meaning of these words is so easy. And we'll start now with page 72 on the student's book, close up. So let's try to finish this lesson. Vocabulary, page 72. The first exercise, exercise A. Exercise A. We will try here to replace these words, the words in bold, with the following words: battle, free, paper, 10 years, and the past. It's okay. If you know the answer, you can raise your hand and I'll choose. It's okay. Yes. Noor Asam, you can answer now. Number one. Yes.
10 years.
Very good. Decades means 10 years. It's okay. Number two.
It took
Um,
more than 10 years.
very good. Thank you, Noor. It's okay. Ahmed Hussein, you can answer now. Yes, Ahmed. It's okay, Omar. You can answer.
Yes.
Okay. Tell me the answer, please. Document here, it means from these words. You will choose from
The
these words.
past.
Document means the past. Try to think.
Yes.
It means paper. Document means here paper.
Free.
Paper means paper. It's okay, thank you. Muhammad Hussein, yes.
Okay.
Number three, the word liberate. It means
After.
yes, Muhammad Hussein.
Free.
Free. Very good.
Free.
Very
Free.
good. Thank you, Muhammad. Yes. Number four, fight. Number four, fight. Yes. Who can answer? Aya Sharif. Yes, Aya. Fight here, it means?
Battle.
It means battle. Yes,
Battle.
very good. Battle. Thank you. It's okay. And of course, ancient times, it will be the past because ancient times means the past. This is exercise A. Let's try to finish exercise C, exercise B, I'm sorry. And in this exercise, we'll try to choose only one word from the two words. Choose the correct answer, and circle the correct answer, it's okay. So we'll choose here from these two words. Yes, Faris Muhammad, you can answer number one. The Russian defection or revolution in 1917 or 1917. Yes, left hundreds of people dead, injured, or homeless. Yes, who can answer? Habiba Muhammad, you can answer now. Number one. So number one will be the Russian Revolution. It's okay. Number two, the concept or the plot to blow up the houses. Yes, who can answer? Lisa. Yes, Lisa. Yes, Lisa. Hmm. So it will be plot. It's okay. Number three. Who can answer number three? Yes, Amr Ahmed. Students of history must be objective or subjective. Yes, Ahmed. It will be objective, of course. It's okay. So students of history must be objective. Number four, Sherlock Holmes is not a historical or historian detective. He is a fictional character. Mm. Yes, Rakia. Yeah. What? Historical or historian? Uh, Try to participate, يا جماعة. It's okay. Yes, it will be historical detective, because here detective is a noun, and we need for this noun we need an adjective. Number five, he wants to write autobiography or biography of Nelson Mandela. Rudaina Salah, yes, yes, Rudaina.
هتبقى biography.
Biography, very good. It's okay. Number six, is this really an authentic or artificial sculpture? Yes, yes. Muhammad Hussein, again. Yes,
Authentic.
authentic, very good. Thank you. It's okay. So let's try to.
Authentic, the first one.
It's okay. Thank you, Muhammad. It's okay. So these are the answers of exercise B. Exercise C, because you'll have to read this exercise, okay, because it's a whole text. You can find here that we have some words: history, great, comedy, knowledge, and so on. Of course, you can pause the video, because as I told you at the beginning, this session will be a video on the YouTube channel. You can pause the video and try to read the text and try to answer it, and then you will check your answers. Okay, so I'll give you the answers, because here, for example, history, you will not write the word history. You will write another derivative, okay, from this word, like historian. From history, you can find historians. From great, you can find greatest. This is according to the text. So you will answer according to the text. You will answer according to the text. Okay. It's okay. Uh, let's try to finish some exercises from the booklet. So open your booklets, please, on page 26. Page 26. It's okay. Let's start with the questions in the booklet. We'll start with the questions of the reading. The first word or the first question here, choose the correct answer. X-rays shows no in his leg. It's okay. Who can answer? Let's see. Yes, Faris. Can you answer number one?
D.
D. Let's see. Very good. It will be fracture. Fracture. Question number two. Yes, who can answer question number two? Yes. Question number two. Yes, who can answer question number two?
مستر ممكن أجاوب؟
Yes, it's okay. You can answer.
It will be C. Sorry. A.
A. Let's see. It will be C. The painting was a depiction of the Queen's family. This is called depiction. Okay. Depiction is a painting or a
Okay.
drawing. Very good. Thank you. It's okay. Number three.
Mister, can I answer?
Yes, it's okay. You can answer now directly. Yes, number three.
A.
The explorer was a short,
A.
very good man of slim build.
Man.
It's okay. Thank you. Number three, it will be build. Number four. Yes, who can answer? If you know the answer, answer directly.
Can I answer?
It's
Can
okay.
I answer it?
It's okay. Yes.
Infections.
Infections. It's okay. Let's see.
Infections. B.
Very good, Muhammad. Very good. Infections. White blood cells help defend the body against infections. Number five. Yes. Who can answer number five?
Identity.
It will be
Identity.
identity. Very good. Very good. It's okay. Number six. Who can answer number six?
C.
C. Let's see. Very good. Hieroglyphs. Hieroglyphs. It's okay. Yes. Number seven.
Can you explain it, mister?
Which one?
D.
Can you explain number 6?
Number six. Again. The.
I don't understand number 6.
Okay. The hieroglyphs of Egypt. It's okay. Were mostly pictures, although each one stood for a word or sound. This is called hieroglyphs. Hieroglyphs, by the way, this was the language. Okay, hieroglyphics, it was the language. And the hieroglyphs, like the letters now. Okay, and we are using in writing English, for example, the alphabets. It's okay, A, B, C, D. The hieroglyphs were like the letters now. Okay, they were just symbols. Okay, pictures. Okay, and this was the language of the ancient Egyptians, as you know. Do you understand it now? You understand that? It's okay. Number.
Yeah.
It's okay. Number 7. Yes.
B.
Very good.
Malaria?
Malaria, yes. It's okay. Malaria. It's called malaria. And number 7 and number 8, the divorce. Yes.
What is the meaning of C?
C. By the way, this is the answer.
C. What is the meaning of C?
Yes, ultimately.
لا أنا عايز أعرف معناها عشان أجاوبها.
Finally, or in the end. It's okay. And this will be the answer, by the way. You're asking me about the answer. It's okay. So ultimately here it means in the end. It's okay. Or finally. Number
Finally.
8, number 9. It's okay. Number 9, the only clue.
What's meaning of
What? Clue? It means evidence
Yes.
or proof. So number 9 will be, can you answer it now?
Identity.
Identity. Let's see. Very good.
Identity.
Very good. Identity. It's okay. Number 10. The lecture will trace, will focus on.
See.
See? Okay, let's see.
it will be C.
Very good. Depiction. Depiction. You are excellent students. It's okay. Number 11.
C.
Fail.
It will be, huh?
A. Infection.
A,
No,
infection.
build.
It will, I think it will be build. Okay, because if you read the sentence, he was of a medium build and about my height. It's okay, so it will be build because build here is the shape and size of your body. It's called build. It's a noun.
Y.
Okay, it's a noun here. Build here is a noun of medium build, medium size and shape. This is the size and shape of your body. It's called build. Okay, number 12. Nowadays,
Malaria.
malaria. It's okay. Yes, this is the answer.
It's
Number
B.
A, yes.
Why
Nowadays, what?
ليه ما تبقاش B? Fracture.
Because we can be treated with drugs here. The drugs here, you can use it for the illnesses that are caused by germs. Okay, so it will be drugs here. Because of fracture, you can use some other medicines. Okay, and it doesn't matter to be a drug to treat fracture, broken bones in your body. Okay, so it will be malaria here. It's okay, thank you. Yes, number 13. We hope.
B.
It's
Let's
B.
see. Ultimately,
B.
it's okay. Yes, it's B. It's correct. Yes, number 14. You can answer number 14.
D.
What?
D.
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 Okay. B or D?
D.
D.
D. Yes, it's D. It's okay. Lay. Why? Because fracture of any part of the body can be very serious, especially in old people. In old people, you can find that the fracture is something which is so dangerous for them in their bones. So this is called fracture. Number 15. Yes, who can answer number 15? Cure.
What's meaning of antibiotics?
Antibiotics, something like a medicine that you can use in order to cure, to treat illnesses. Okay. And the doctors use antibiotics in order to make your body defend illnesses. This is called antibiotics.
It will be C.
Will be C. Let's see.
Infections.
Infection, yes, infection. And number 16, yes.
D.
D, hieroglyph. Let's see. Yes, very good. Okay.
What's the meaning of A?
What? Decade?
The meaning of A.
The meaning of decade, it means 10 years.
Yes.
This is called decade. Decade, it means 10 years. It's okay? Do you understand this lesson?
Okay.
It's okay.
Yes.
It's okay. The next session, inshallah, we'll try to finish the exercises about vocab 1 And we will try to study vocab 2. Yani we will study vocab 2 in the book, in the student's book. And in this way, we will finish the vocabulary of close-up. Okay? And inshallah, after that, we will try to finish some exercises in the booklet. Thank you, my dear students, and see you soon, inshallah.
inshallah.